This is a Carado integrated motorhome. Here we shall look at the functioning of the drop-down bed over the front seats. Whereas this is a Carado motorhome, this type of bed design is very similar in many other motorhomes, not just in those belonging to the Hymer Group but those made by other manufacturers as well. As you can see, there is a pull-down bed for 2 people above the front seats. In order to lower the bed, we need to lower the seats. Push the button to the right to release the catch to lower the bed. In some beds, there may be a catch which needs to be pulled towards you. There is a ladder which allows easy access to the bed. Use the ladder only for accessing the bed. The table is not designed to take a lot of weight and damage could be caused if it is used to get into bed. There is a protective net under the mattress, which is intended to prevent the occupants from falling out of bed. The protective net has straps which attach to the roof, side walls or furniture. Hook the straps into the designated positions and tighten them. This will probably only have to be done the first time that the bed is used. Sheets can be left on the bed. There may also be enough room for other bedding as well, of course depending on how much there is. Many motorhomes are equipped with a roof hatch. The roof hatch is equipped with a fly screen and a blackout blind. The roof hatch is very pleasant in the summer so that one can get fresh air into the sleeping compartment. However, it must be closed when the bed is up, otherwise rain could enter. Furthermore, the blackout blind must not be drawn during the day. Heat can build up between the plastic window and the blind, which could not only impair the functioning of the blind but, more importantly, could scratch or damage the window. Therefore, always leave the window hatch closed and the darkening blind open so that heat can escape. There are other videos in which the functioning of other types of bed is discussed.